Welcome back. We got Parkway Plumbing out on a job site again. We got a leak defense system sold here and installed on a customer's house. Coming to you from a nice cozy nook. Could have been a mechanical room or anything you're looking for. But long story short, Mike, we got the leak defense system installed. Could have been a couple different diameters. On this one we had, what, 3/4 inch line?
Yeah, your common residential size here in the Cleveland area.
You did have the option to install vertically or horizontally.
Yes.
Went vertical in this particular instance.
Correct.
What we're going to do is demonstrate basically how smart this thing is. Well, in the home setting, you're obviously home, so you have lighter controls. So ideally, we kind of set it for your longest shower, maybe say 30, 40 minutes, and then your timer would prevent you from having an event. So when you're away, that's what we're going to demonstrate now, you would have tighter controls, so that way if water starts leaking, after about a minute of continued flow, you're going to see the magic and see what happens when this valve shuts off by itself.
We're going to set it in away mode. Now, if you're out shopping and the water were to spring a leak while you're out shopping, now you've got 1 minute and the house will shut off.
We're just about down and you'll see a couple things happen here. The alarm is going to go off on the control panel. The valve is actuating and is shutting off. We're going to get notifications out to whomever you would want on the smart app. It could be a facility manager, could be a homeowner. And then you also have the valve doing what it's supposed to do, which is shutting off the water, as you hear right behind us. So in the middle of the night, if you're in the house, this alarm, much like your smoke alarm, is going to tell you something's a problem. If you're not looking at your smartphone, you can clear the alarm, and then 9 times out of 10, it's going to tell you exactly where that leak has happened, because you can designate your point of use materials with an indicator, okay? The other thing that happens is it gives you the option to turn on the water again once you've discovered wherever the leak is coming from. And so whether you're on your mobile, you can turn the water back on, or if you're inside the home, you can turn it back on as well. You can hear the ball valve actuating again. We've identified where the leak was in the faucet, and we're gonna go cut that off, and then our flow level should return to our preset conditions.
And we've called Parkway Plumbing to fix it.
We did call Parkway Plumbing to fix it.